Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking model, OS, and battery. This matters because firmware tools depend on them. Once you confirm, enable developer or service mode if available and connect via USB. Make sure backups run, photos and contacts first, so you can restore. Next, uninstall any battery or power management apps that could block diagnostics. They often override toggles. Finally, open the device settings and note exact error messages or codes. This information guides targeted fixes in the next steps. Once done with initial checks, boot into safe or recovery mode to determine if a third-party app causes on/off looping. If the phone still misbehaves, inspect the charging port and flex cables under light. Corrosion or loose pins explain many failures. Make sure to test with a known good charger and cable, then, if necessary, use the OEM flashing utility to reinstall system images. This resets firmware without erasing user data when you choose that option. Finally, monitor boot logs to confirm fixes. To finish, perform a controlled factory reset only after confirming backups. This resolves residual software corruption. If symptoms persist, rapid battery drain or shutdowns under load, replace the battery or power management IC because hardware faults often mimic software issues. Reassemble, then run a full 48-hour stability test with normal use to validate the repair. If problems continue, one key troubleshooting tip: capture and compare boot logs before and after each repair step, since those logs reveal hidden failures and prevent repeated guesswork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.